So the next part, show that the Black-Scholes options formula satisfies put-call parity. So we need to go to the formula sheet, and all you have to do is put in the values that we have already, but we have a little bit of work to do before we can finalize this. We have C, don't we? We have the price of the call option 4.295.
Everything except for P.
Everything except for P. So we need to find P. We have to go back up here, and you now have the price of the put. So what do you notice about this formula then? We have this already. Do you remember I said we're going to need it anyway? So you might as well break down that call option into different parts. There's the 99.37 we needed here. We also need it in the put call parity, as we did where we got it initially. So we need these 3 times. So you have that. You have the stock price, which was given to us as 99, but we still have to find N minus D1 and N minus D2. We don't have this, and we don't have this. And you might think, do we have to go through all of this in order to find N minus D1 and N minus D2? The good news is you don't have to do it. It's a quicker process because we already have these. And the formula is not given to you and how to do it. But I'm just going to write it out here for you so you can write it down. So underneath your price of the put option, write the following. That's it. Okay, so please don't go along getting D1 and D2 as a negative. You're just not going to get it, okay? Just go with this simple method. Again, write those out. You need to know those. They're not given to you in the exam paper. So N minus D1, okay, let's work this out. What was ND1? We have it here, 0.50919. So if someone can get the answer for that.
0.490.
0.490.
808.
Okay, happy with that. We do the same for N minus D2. So we have to get 1 minus ND2. Remember, it's ND2 we're getting. We're not getting D2. It's ND2, so 0.464. If you're going by your own one with the extra few decimals without the rounding, put it in, just in case this confuses you later on. And that is equal to 0.53596. Okay, so that's what we have. There they are, look, there's some of them in there. There's the N minus D2. Okay, so you might not like this table is only because I just copied and pasted from Excel, and to be honest, it doesn't look good like that. So what we need to do is get your formula and put everything in you have already into the formula. So we already has found your strike times e to the power of minus RT, which is what I'm going to highlight here. And you'll see it there anyway in the box. 99, that goes in there. You found N minus D2, it's this one. Just don't use the N minus D1, goes in here. Your stock price we already have from the question, which was $99, and N minus D1, which we have here. And again, it might be ideal just to break that formula down and put in your answers as you're working through it. Like the way I have it here, I've written in X e to the power of minus RT, so N minus D2 written in here, and then the stock times N minus D1, which if you can confirm if this is correct. So the stock price was $99 multiplied by 0.490808. Is that 4859?
Yep.
Okay, so we have that part. We already have this in, $99, 99.37. We have this 0.53. So multiplying those two together, what do you get?
53.26156.
Okay,
yeah.
So that's that part minus what we just found here. So subtract 48.5901 from that.
4.67.
You see it there, your put is 4.67. Okay, again, we spent quite a bit going through this, but once you practice it, you'll be surprised how quick you will get through it, okay? So that's your put price. Remember, we were asked to find the put call parity holds. Okay, I'll explain that soon. But we needed to get the put for that, because if you recall from your put call parity formula, you had the put price in here. So we just write in everything again. It's not a great solution because I'm omitting values in here, but you write in what you got for the call.
Yep.
Plus your 99 there, we see it again, 0.37, whatever else we have. I'm happy for you to do that as well, rather than repeating all those numbers in. Your put and your stock, 99. And you should see those two pretty much balancing if this is correct, 103.67.
Yep.
Okay, and that's what's called put call parity. What's not put call parity is the put and the put and the call prices equal to one another, even though they look quite similar. Okay, and when they're similar like that, we're talking about what's called at the money options.